Hello, I'm stitching my spring garden sampler today and I'm doing the cherry blossom trees, and I thought you might like to see how I'm adding the blossom onto the tree. I've already done the silhouette of the tree using backstitch. This is available as a kit in my Etsy shop and it comes with all these stitch instructions. I'm going to use French knots for the blossom. I had a knot on the end of my thread and I've pulled it all the way through, and then you just want to hold the thread with your left hand or with your right hand if you're left-handed and take a needle and twist it round twice, keeping it nice and firm, and then take your needle back into the fabric just to the side of where you came out. And the little knot you've made is already at the base, but you want to just make sure it's at the base, and then take your needle through, keeping it firm with your left hand, and just pull it all the way through, and then you can let it go and you've got a lovely little blossom. And what I did was I tried to consider how the blossom is on a tree. So I like to leave some of the branches bare in between where the flowers are, because of course they don't have leaves at that time, they just have the flowers. So it's nice to see some of the branches peeking through. But you can do it however you like it. That's really fun with this part of the pattern, that you can use a bit of your creativity, which is flowing through your veins. And sometimes you can do the French knot over the branches, sometimes to the side of the branches. So let's do another French knot. Pull the needle all the way through until it can't come anymore. Keep the thread nice and firm with your left hand. Take your needle, twist it once, twice. Take it back into the fabric just to the side of where you came out, making sure the knot is at the base, but it generally automatically does that. And keep the thread nice and firm as you pull it through, and then let it go. Let's just do one more. Let's go on the end of the branch here. Keep the thread firm. 1, 2. Bring it down to the base of the fabric. And you can keep it tight through your finger like that, and then just let it go. And then just carry on round the tree as I've done on this one. And before you know it, you have a beautiful effect of a cherry blossom tree. And this kit has tulips and primroses and grape hyacinths, violets, a wee little bunny, a little duck family at the base, and this darling little cottage in the centre, which I'm calling Primrose Cottage. So as I say, the kit's available in my Etsy shop. I'll put a link in the description below. But I wish you happy stitching. Bye.